You know, you win some, you lose some. I lose all.
There is a correlation between you buying shit and not telling me prior to committing.
Yeah, I'm thinking of the channel. This is content. Whatever, dude. Get to work.
Get it right now.
A lot of overtime
might pop
today.
that cover off and take a look at it and see what's going on.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are headed over to Tyler's house. Figured I'd bring the camera because, as you guys know, Tyler has the Volvo. See what's going on with that. I'm looking forward to seeing where the car's at. I want to get an idea of what else the car needs, and then we can try to make a good game plan of getting this thing back on the road and doing hood rat things with our friends. You know. Say hi, bud. Hi, bud. Hey, doing, pal? I showed up to give him something, and what do I get in return? Orders to work. I just feel myself hanging out with these guys, going backwards. I worked really hard and I bought a house so that I don't have to work outside anymore. But these guys like working outside, like dummies. Just boy. Hee hee. Congratulations to pulling out your transmission. I'm so glad I was here for you. I did all of it by myself. No one was here to help me because I'm a master mechanic. I guess we're gonna pull the head off and inspect what's going on with this thing. So, without further ado. We interrupt this very cool time lapse to bring you a public service announcement. Do not buy a Volvo. Things do not look great.
This thing is cooked, totally cooked.
And then the head, no better. Oh, thanks, Casper.
Thanks, Casper.
More work to do.
Hello?
Yo,
Yeah, what's up, dude?
not much. You got a minute?
Yeah, I'm just wrapping up some edits. What's going on?
I went over to Tyler's today, and we got started working on the Volvo.
Okay.
You want the long story or the short story?
I mean, I'll take the short story.
Motor smoked.
Smoked?
Smoky smoke. Like 2 packs of Marlboros a day smoked.
Hey, okay.
Alright, so get the shopping.
Okay. Will do.
Alright? Alright, you got it. Oh, Casper,
Yeah.
don't buy junk.
I will not buy junk.
Thank you.
Alright. Good morning and welcome back, everyone. Winter is most certainly here in the Northeast. A quick update on the Volvo. We may have found a solution to our problem, but the solution might not be what you think. I'm actually on my way to grab a couple of tools that we're gonna need, and I'm gonna be meeting Danny pretty shortly, along with Dom afterwards, and you can see what I'm talking about. So, question of the day. How do you fix a broken Volvo?
Buy another Volvo.
We're buying another Volvo. So as you can tell, I'm no longer passenger. Spoke with the guy for a little bit, came to an agreement on the price, and we got a really, really good example, at least it seems, of this Volvo 850 Turbo.
I never thought I'd be driving behind a gold poster.
So you've done it again.
Champagne, baby.
Dom Perry Turbo. Hey, yo.
Did we do good?
I mean, it's like my grandmother would drive this thing.
Sounds like your grandmother was a very reasonable person.
She had taste. Not great, but she had taste.
Much cleaner than we both anticipated it would be. Dom was really surprised too. We know he's not in the video right now, but he had some stuff he had to take care of at home.
This is a quintessential cream puff. It's tidy.
Yeah.
It's tidy.
And more importantly than anything, it runs.
This one runs.
Yeah.
Yours doesn't run. Well, I guess they're both yours. Most important thing,
Because I was so upset that the headlight wipers were missing on the 850R, I figured the easiest thing to do is to buy another car rather than getting them at AutoZone or
justifies the whole purchase. The whole purchase. The guy said that he did the timing belt only a year ago. New coolant expansion tank. This airbox looks a lot cleaner than yours does. Battery's fairly new, which we need anyway. That oil dipstick looks brand friggin' new.
The brakes are in really good shape, so that may end up being a transfer as well. It's a loud thunk.
That's nice. World's safest car came at a price. The heaviest trunk known to man.
I think Danny needs to hit the gym a little more often. It's not that bad.
It's pretty, it's robust. Factory radio, premium sound system. This is probably the best thing in the car because it was made in Japan.
A little JDM bias there, but it does actually work out because the red car is missing its radio, and that is the exact radio that we need. Yo, watch the paint, bro.
Oh, you'll be all right.
That's 2 out of 2 times. If you guys notice, the trim on this car is black. It did not come black from the factory. This is painted, and it's painted well, which we will also transfer over to the red car.
This was good. There's a lot of stuff in here that's useful. Stuff like this, like these older cars are getting harder to get parts for. So like even the fact that just having like really clean headlights, a spare set, is good.
Cool. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up for now.
Volvo number 2.
It's pretty early in the morning, trying to get a little bit of work done on the car before it actually goes up to Tyler's for all of the major work. With that being said, we all know the only real reason this car was purchased was because the headlight wipers were bad, right? So, let's start with that. So as you saw, a good amount of stuff has been removed from the gold car in preparation before all of the major work that's going to happen at Tyler's. I did take the car up to Tyler's house already, so the next thing to do is to try to dedicate some time to get everybody together, get the swap rolling, and try to get that red car out on the road as soon as possible. Wanted to touch base as to why I purchased an entire car rather than just buying an engine. And honestly, it's because purchasing an engine with any sense of reliability or warranty that it's going to perform the way you want it to is getting harder and harder to do. With this car being local, having a lot of new parts, and a good running engine, it made the most sense to purchase the car completely and move forward with it there. So yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for updates on the Volvo swap and for a couple of other things we have coming your way. See ya.